Hello, we're back and we are
Unboxalot.
Unboxalot. And what we have today is
Shopkins.
Shopkins, the So Cool fridge. Includes 2 exclusive Shopkins. That looks like a version of Soda Pops.
Yes.
And that one, I'm not sure. We haven't looked up their names. Also includes over 35 stickers to decorate your fridge. See, it's a fridge in here. The door's open. And 6 mini Shopkins that are little bitty eggs. Okay, and it looks like our door has fallen off in the packaging. There are also 2 purple bags up here. And I believe what that's going to mean is that this should be season 2. This is from ShopkinsWorld.com and Moose Enterprise. Includes 1 playset, 2 exclusive Shopkins, 6 mini Shopkins, 2 shopping bags, and 2 sticker sheets. Are we ready to open her up?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have at it.
Yeah.
Now, what we're going to do here is
Get my scissors.
cut the tape across the top with your scissors and open it up. Now we've opened the box. The door is indeed detached. There's a little cup. And 1 cup. Okay, I had missed that part. There is in fact 1 cup. So what we will do is see what we need to do and it's recommended that you use scissors to get these open because they are well packaged, mostly to avoid being opened in the store, I guess. But that makes it kind of difficult sometimes to get them off the packaging when you get them home. But we're doing all right. And what do we have? They're little clear plastic rubber bands. So the drawer comes out here at the bottom. There's another drawer here.
I was trying to get the mini Shopkins out.
I'm going to try to put the door back on. Looks like there's a notch here. I don't believe that this door was supposed to be detached. Ours appears to be somewhere.
Look, I got the mini Shopkins out.
Okay, and we've got 6 mini Shopkins.
Look at this.
They are little eggs. It's a half a dozen little mini Shopkin eggs. But they also come in a thing that goes in the door here that will hold them. Now hang on, buddy. We're going to try to put the door back on.
Where's the cup?
It's still in the box. There's a rubber band here which has been helping to defeat us from putting the door back on. Yeah, as difficult as it's being to put this door back on, I'm going to guess it definitely was not supposed to be released like that to us. So, at this time, we'll put this back on later. But here's one of our Shopkins. It's a clear, it looks like an ice cream sundae. And we also have a cup, for some reason, a yellow cup. This is our 2 purple bags. Do we have any purple bags before, buddy?
No.
These are our first 2 purple bags.
Look, they put like this, see? I can put my own new Shopkins in it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you help me?
Well, we will.
What is it? There's a new Shopkin in it.
And now we're going to try to get these stickers out. The stickers appear to be taped in pretty thoroughly. Let's try to get them out without breaking them. And there, we've cut there. We will cut there. And there. There are still some issues. So this is pretty tough to open. Would you say that, buddy? It's a hard thing to open, isn't it? There's our packages of stickers. See if we can get the two packages apart. Yeah, we'll be able to cut that. And cut again. So this is what we've got, some packages of stickers. They got a little abused in opening. But those are to stick on. It's a sheet like someone's written and has a checklist or a grocery list to put on your fridge. Notice they're buying Shopkins at the grocery store and some other Shopkins. Now, once we get here, where are our two Shopkins that were in there, buddy? There's only one of them.
Yeah, but we have more Shopkins right there.
Okay, there's our 6 eggs in the drawer.
Can you move your legs a little bit?
Yeah, wait, we open up. Okay,
I need to get my leg out.
okay, okay. And so it looks like this is supposed to be an ice maker or something, buddy?
No. Oh, I'll show you.
Oh, okay, okay. So you put the cup in.
And then it drops.
Ah, okay. So wait. Let's see if it works with mini Shopkins. You put the cup in the, and the Shopkins drop out.
Okay.
That's why they gave us a cup, huh?
Yeah.
And basically at this point, we need to get our door back attached, but I don't want to force it and break something. If you're looking in the store, try to find one that has the door still attached. So what do you think of this toy?
Good.
It's good. 6 mini Shopkins, 2 exclusive Shopkins, and it is the Shopkins So Cool Fridge. And this is going to be what it looks like closed with the cup dispenser. All right. Do you have anything else to say about this toy, buddy?
Yeah.
What?
We need to put these on.
Oh, we need to put the stickers on. Okay. Well, until next time, we are Unboxalot. And today, that was the Shopkins So Cool Fridge. See you next time.